today I will show you pilot mechanic action figure. You can download it for free at my manufacturer called 3D, Thingiverse or Printables. It has everything on ball joint, 4 inches or 10 centimeters tall. It also has a monitor to repair stuff that can fit in his hand. A wrench tool and a screwdriver. It also has a robot cargo that's also adjustable. And also has a small crane. That you can attach at 3 points. Also a small cargo box is included in this package. That's all. Thanks. Share, like, subscribe.